Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm installing this beautiful wig. I love the texture of it. This wig is by Wiggins hair, and they sent me their loose deep wave wig. It's so thick and like voluminous. This is 200 density, I'm pretty sure, and also 28 inches, but it's like thick all the way throughout. And I just let it air dry, and this is the curl pattern, so I would love this hair on like a vacation or something. Like, so cute. I do have close-ups of it like during the video so you guys can see, but it was so easy to work with. And look at how nice and natural this looks. It blends right into your skin, and I love this wig. So yeah, if you guys would like to see me install this wig and see what I think about it and everything, then keep on watching. I've already went ahead and done the bald cap method, as you guys can see. And I just put my foundation on the wig cap so it blends in. Okay, so here is the hair, and I'm really excited for this. Do you see? It's so long, and it's like such a pretty curl pattern. Like, I feel like I've had similar, but not this kind of curl pattern. It's very thick too, and I've already plucked the frontal. But you guys can see the lace is so nice and thin. Like, this is like real HD lace. Like, it bleached pretty well. I think I bleached it twice, but it bleached pretty well, and I've already like kind of tinted it and plucked as well. So alright, so let's put this on my head. You guys see how good this already looks? So bomb. And I love this lace. It's so nice. This is the real good HD lace, and I plucked it pretty well. I know I could pluck more, but I don't like over plucking until like it's on my head. Then I can go in if I have to. Ooh, so much hair though. Oh my gosh. And me and thick hair are not really friends. I'm probably gonna have to take this off soon. It's so good. Like, this fits my hairline perfectly. I don't have to pull anything or tug anything, and just perfectly fits. Wow. Okay, perfect. And for the glue, I'm going to be using Bold Hold Active, and I'll apply about like 2 to 3 layers. Okay, now that the glue is clear, that means it's ready. So I'm just gonna align the dots and press down. Perfect. Oh, I love when the install just goes on flawlessly. I was about to film a different video right now with a different wig, but it did not fit good on my head, and I was struggling, and I'm just not in the mood to struggle. So I'm glad this one fits flawlessly. So now I'm gonna take this elastic band that I have, and we're gonna melt this down. So I don't want baby hairs in the front for this look, so I'll leave that like that, and then kind of just section out where your baby hairs are gonna be. Even if you don't have any baby hairs, it's just better to do this. Like, this is looking like real scalp. I'm gonna clip this back. That's a lot of hair. Holy, okay. It's gonna tie it around the lace just to make sure it's really melted. I don't even know how to tie this. I need to order a longer elastic band because I can't keep doing this to myself. Okay. This thing like popped open, so I've been holding it. Oh, okay. Melted. Beautiful. This is what you want to see. It's already looking like scalp. Wow. Okay, so now it's time to cut the lace. And with HT lace, you could honestly use your scissors and get like a better look, just because of like the way the lace is made. Like I don't even know, I don't want to say this wrong, but if you cut it with like a razor, and if it's not like the sharpest razor of the world, you're gonna have like spiky ends. It's really weird, like you have to see it, but I think like cutting it with scissors is much better. But if it was like a regular lace, then definitely use a razor. Alright, it looks so good. I'm just gonna go off camera and make sure everything is glued down, and then we can do the edges together. Okay, so it is all glued down, and you guys can see it's giving very, very much scalp. I really, really like it, and I'm just gonna pluck in some areas where I feel like I need to pluck. And I'm just gonna take out the front section so we don't over pluck. It's just so dense, so it's kind of harder to pluck, but I feel like I'll be okay. I think after the baby hairs, it should be okay. So let's just move on to the baby hairs. I've been really into these like curly edges, and I have an inspo pic, so I'm gonna try. So I recently saw Chastity Autumn's Instagram, and she is really, really good. And I've never seen like curly edges like how she does them, so let's attempt to do that. And I'll do a middle part as well. I'm just not sure how this is gonna work out, but let's go for it. So I'm not gonna do any edges in the middle, I don't think. So okay, I'll fix it up after I've done the edges, like if I need to pluck any more. Like, this is so much hair. I literally just washed it and let it air dry, and that's how it looks. Okay, so just make sure this is proper. Now using some mousse, and this is my Lotta Body mousse, I'm gonna try and curl this. Okay, I have hope in this. I really think this could work. Oh, there's so many little hairs. I just realized I should probably hurry up so that these curls don't pop off. Okay. Let's just hope this works. Oh, okay. Got the edges on. Just can't slip this. So I'm gonna let that do its thing for about like 5 minutes, and then I'll be back so we can lay the rest of the wig down. Alright, I'm excited to take this off. I really hope that it looks okay. We're close to good. Alright, let's do this. So I'll start with this one. I'm just brushing it out. Guys, I think it worked. I actually think it worked. First I'll cut and then I'll pluck. I think I just got regular edges. I should have made the curls a bit smaller, but it's okay, this works still. I'll have to pluck it a bit. I kind of like that curl. Okay, now I'm gonna pluck. I'm just going to take a little bit of the mousse and just shape them. Like, where are these long pieces coming from? I'll probably wrap these redo my edges. Probably like tomorrow. It's like midnight right now and I'm not in the mood to redo this right now. Still cute. It almost looks like what I was trying to do, but it's not there yet. I want that perfect look. I kind of want them to be like a little messy. This one worked out. Now let's do the part, and I'll do a middle part for this. I feel like I haven't done a middle part in a while. I mean, with curly hair. So you want to start from the sides and then work your way to the middle. And I'm just taking some Murray's beeswax, and that's the wax I like to use. This looks so good. It honestly doesn't even need any concealer or anything. Like, look at how perfect that looks. Alright, now pretty much done. We just secure the back. It's so funny, this is the part that I always forget, even when I do like my clients and stuff. Alright, this is looking really cute. And I'm just gonna take some foam and just define the curl pattern a bit more. Okay, and there we go. Finally done. But you guys can see the curl pattern. It is so cute. I'll see if I'll fix up the edges. It still looks good. I still like it. I love how it looks. This is really cute and very nice. Look at the lace. Lace where? Please tell me like where it is. I'm trying to find it. Can't find it. Highly recommend this wig if you want a nice curl pattern with some HD lace that will give you a lot of body and length and everything. This is really cute, and if you guys would like to purchase this hair, I'll put all the info in the description down below. And yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up and comment below what y'all want to see next from me, and make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. Yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video.